This is a message from the United States government, so please listen to this urgent message. The International Space Station had just informed that the astronomical event is heading towards the western part of America, specifically the state of California. The cities of California will be sent the following messages at this time. As of right now, it is required that you listen to the following instructions that are given. The following instruction is to stay home, lock all doors and windows, bring in as many pets and livestock inside, and seal all cracks that you have in the house just in case. It is going to be a tough time, but I promise you that once it is over we will rebuild our state to what it once was.